This weekend sees the first domestic trophy up for grabs in Wales as the Nathaniel MG Cup Final takes centre stage. The New Saints, 7-time winners of the competition and current holders, face First Division side Barrytown United at the King Coyd Campus Stadium in Cardiff. And with both clubs enjoying positive seasons so far in their respective leagues, FAWTV visited the two teams to preview the weekend's showpiece final.
I've gone on record and I've said that, if we were to play each other 10 times now, I think that given where we are at the moment as a club, they'd probably beat us 8 to 9 times. But there's always that one time that you're fighting for, and this is a cup final. Upsets do happen. We'll be well prepared, we'll do our background, we'll ensure that the lads don't feel in awe of the occasion at all, and we'll go and we'll give it the best shot we've got. It's actually quite a romantic story because the lads that went down to Division 3 with us, a lot of those guys will take to the field on the 21st, But for us, if we can get to a final and lift, what is a major competition, it'll be a great indicator of where we're at currently, but also it just gives you that bit more of a thirst to sample that more often.
A culmination of the hard work that we as supporters have put in over the last 4 years, keep this club going. A good chance against a very, very good team who've just broken a world record, so it's not going to be easy.
Those people that follow Welsh football know that Barry are having an excellent season as well.
Yeah, absolutely. I think it will be a very competitive game. So fingers crossed we can turn up on the day and give a good account of ourselves.
The stuff we've gone through has actually been a blessing. It's been a good thing for us. We've come out the other end stronger. We're a stronger entity. The club showed its character that time, The supporters showed their character at that time, and together we've come through it. And as the adage goes, together we are stronger.
You look at it, and we've played all them teams, and we've found the hard way, and and I've had an opportunity to play some younger players. I think Andy Witchley, James Jones, Ryan Price, Jacob Farley have all been outstanding in them games. First opportunity to win a cup, and we'll be going there. The lads trained really hard today and yesterday. Looking forward to a good session tomorrow. They'll have a day off on Thursday and prepare on Friday and travel down to Cardiff.
No one expected us to go on a run like we did. A bit different to seasons gone by, I suppose, because obviously the attention that we've been getting for the world record. The last sort of 2 months leading up to it really has been a bit more busier than usual, but no, it's been great. It's obviously unfortunate we couldn't keep it going on the weekend, but maybe that's a bit of pressure off us now, and we can just relax and get on with winning trophies now. We're in 4 competitions, so we want to win all 4 of them, and hopefully we can get the first bit of silverware in the cabinet this week.
Wel, da ni efo record rwan, so mae hwnna di mynd. Mae'n neis i gael o, ond ennill gemau sy'n bwysig. Wel, oedd yna'n gêm ansawdd blwyddyn diwethaf, so da ni'n mynd fewn fel bob gêm da ni'n mynd fewn ni, a gobeithio ni ennill.
We were expecting a very tough game, that obviously I think they went ahead twice last year. What better game to play after you've just lost a record, drew a game, than to come play a cup final. The lads are chomping at the bit to get out there and hopefully try and win our first trophy of the season.